everybody, this is Cassie from Helper Tech, and I am going to talk to you today about iPhone 8 screen repair. So how do you know this is an 8? Well, you've still got a home button, you don't have a headphone jack, and you do have a glass back. That's how you can tell this is an iPhone 8. So with this, we can do this repair at both Helper Tech Eagan and Helper Tech Burnsville, and the Helper Tech Eagan store is now servicing the Mendota Heights area off Highway 35 where it hits Cliff Road. So with these ones, we've got two options. I can either do the repair in about an hour, and you'd be looking at $119, or if you're in more of a rush, I can do that repair in 15 minutes for $149. Both options do also come with $20 worth of store credit towards any accessories or products that we sell. No appointment needed. You can just stop in anytime during our business hours. So once again, you can take this over to our Helper Tech Eagan or Helper Tech Burnsville store and get that fixed for you. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.